Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to know someone blocked me on WhatsApp without messaging them. So let me show the steps with which you can just know it. So the first one is no profile picture visible. You can't see the contact's profile picture. Like if I go to WhatsApp, so what I found is in here, as you can see, there is a profile picture. And if I just don't see this profile picture of a specific person, I can know that they might have blocked me. And then there goes another one that is no last seen or online status. There are last seen or online status that is available if I head over to any conversation, just right below their name. And if you can't see that, you can know that they have blocked me. And the another one is single gray tick on messages. So if we send a message on WhatsApp, there is first a single tick and there is double tick. The single tick means it is sent from your phone, and the double tick means double gray tick means the message have reached their phone and or it is delivered. But it is only on if it is only on the single gray tick, it means you have sent the message and the message has been sent, but it is not being delivered because they have blocked you. And the last one is unable to make calls. So if you just try to call them, you will see there is no visible option that says ringing. It will be always on calling, so you can't call them. So yeah, these are the ways with which, other than messaging, you can know in WhatsApp they have blocked you. Hope this helps you out, and we will see you in the next video.